Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cash envelope video. Absolutely love these videos. It is payday. So before we get started, I have a couple of announcements to make. First, if you're not subscribed, make sure you go and subscribe down below because I make budgeting videos, grocery hauls, meal planning, everything and anything. And if you want to see any more videos that you think that I would like to film, let me know down below. Also, let me know if you have a channel because I will go and check y'all out. I will go and hang out with y'all, come and talk to y'all or anything. Absolutely love just meeting new people. And another thing, let's see, I actually got a raise. I got a 48-cent raise, which I was not expecting that at all because I was wondering why my check was so high, and I was like looked back from my previous check and it went up 48 cents and I was like, oh my gosh, this is like a blessing. So that is some good news. Super excited. I'm very grateful that I got it. So let's just get started. Paycheck number one, I got $1,379. This is including my recent raise. I got a lot of overtime and then I got a lot of call for the hospital. So that's how I got $1,379. So that means I will be putting a lot more towards sinking funds, and that video should be up on Saturday. So let's go over my bills. So we have rent, car, insurance, phone, loan, credit card, light bill, gym, and MediaCom. I split mine into two paychecks, Paycheck 1 and Paycheck 2. It just makes it really easier for me because I don't want to take all my bills out in one paycheck and then I will just be left with nothing for the rest of the month. So that's how we're going to do it. Rent this month, it actually went up. It went up, I want to say $50 because we renewed our lease and everything. So it's a little bit more. So paycheck number 2 is $293. I already have $290 set back. Car is always $498. So I'm going to be putting $250. Insurance is usually $145. So I'm going to put $73. Phone is actually going to be $80 this month, and then next month it'll go back up to $100. So I already have $50 in savings, so that is $30. Loan is usually $127, and if you haven't seen my updated snowball, then you would know that I put an extra $25 towards one of my student loans, is the one that I'm focusing on right now. Super excited about that, but we're going to put $53. My credit card, which is my American Eagle Visa credit card, is $40. I already paid half of it already. Light is actually it's actually $99, so it's technically $100. So we are going to put $25. And the reason why I'm putting $25, if you are new, then y'all would know that my boyfriend actually lives with us, so we split all of our bills. So we split rent and the light bill and MediaCom all together. So that is how I'm spending less. Gym is $17, and then MediaCom is $17. It was already due a couple of days ago, so I went ahead and Venmo'd my boyfriend my part for the bill. All right, you guys, so this is everything. So we're going to total everything up. So hopefully this calculator will actually work this time. As a reminder, we have a paycheck of $1,379. So that's $290 plus $248. Oh, actually, I'm reading paycheck number 1. Let's go back. $293 plus $250 plus $73 plus $30 plus $53 plus $40 plus $25 plus $17 and plus $17 equals $798. All right, so we are going to subtract $798 to 1,379. 1,379 will equals to $581 that we are going to have left over. So I'm just going to write at the very end right here, leftovers, $581. All right, so we are going to go into our cash envelopes. Before we get that, before I tell y'all how much I'm going to put in my cash envelopes this week, for my side hustle, I actually sold a book online on one of the Facebook groups. So I earned $7. So I'm just going to add $7 right there up in on the side hustle. And what I'm going to do with that, whatever I have left over for my cash envelopes, then we will go and divide it up, put it towards my debt, and then the rest will go towards my sinking funds. All right, so let's flip back to our check-in. All right, so right here I already labeled it. So in groceries this week we're going to do $100, which we always do. Gas is always on $60. Fund money, I went up to 70. I have been fluctuating between 70 to 60 to 40, something like that. So this week we are going to be doing $70. Out to eat, you know that I have been on a kick of not eating out this whole month, but some things are probably going to be coming up this week or next week. So I'm just going to put $40. Usually it is $40, but I'm going to put 20, I mean. Sinking funds, I'm not sure how much we're going to have total for this week, because I still have to do my sinking fund envelopes also. So that will be coming up next after this one. And then cushion is $70. Usually it's $100, sometimes it's $40, but this week we are going to be doing $70. And if you don't know what cushion means, cushion is my debit card. So I actually leave money on my debit card just in case I need to buy something from Etsy, which I usually do, or Amazon. My Netflix comes out of that. My Amazon Prime membership comes out of that. So that is the reason why we have $70. All right, so I already wrote down what I need to get from the bank. Now we're just going to figure out what the denominations that we are going to get. So groceries is going to be $2.50s. Gas will be $3.20s. Fund money will be let's do another 50 and then a 20. Out to eat will be a 20, and then cushion will stay the same. So let's just add all of that up. So 100 plus 60 plus 70 plus 20 will equals to 250. So let's see if that adds up with my tallies. So 50 plus 50 plus 50. So it should be 150 plus 5 20s is supposedly another 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 equals to 250. So that is what I need to get for my cash envelopes. Now I'm going to run to the bank. I'm going to get that out, and then we're going to see if we have any cash left over from our cash envelopes, and then we'll put that towards our debt and our sinking funds. All right, so I will see you guys in a minute. All right, you guys, so I am back from the bank. I got my $250. So we're just going to go ahead and get to stuffing. These bills right here is what I told you is what I sold that book for on Facebook. So I'm just going to put it right here, and we're going to put our extra money from our cash envelopes over there, and then we're going to figure out how much we have. All right, so first off is groceries, and that is going to get $100. So that's 100. Let's see if we have any money, and we do. No coins. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I'm gonna put that right there. All right, and then we're gonna put our $100. And this is my Dave Ramsey envelope. If you have not seen any of my videos, I got this because I am a member of the Financial Peace University. I do classes. I don't teach the class. I join the classes. I talk to the community and everything like that. I get great advice from people all across the country. So just a heads up. Gas is going to be $60. 2, 3, so it's $2.40 and $60. Let's see how much gas we have left. That is $25 we have left. All right, and we're gonna put the 60 in here. That's gonna cover us for 2 weeks. All right, fund money is going to be $70. 70 right here. I know for a fact we don't have any money in fund money because I went -3 in that. So, but now it is stuffed, and I already know what I'm going to use my fund money on is Taylor Swift's new CDs coming out today when you are watching this, so I need to go get that. And then I have a couple of things that are going to be on clearance at Walmart that Jared's going to mark down for me. It's Pioneer Woman stuff, so I'm going to have to do that. Sinking funds, we don't know what the total is for that. Cushion is 70, and then out to eat, we're going to do 20. Haven't stuffed this in a while, you guys, so I only have coins in here, but put the 20. And that is it for my stuffing my cash envelopes. Now I'm just going to set that aside. We're going to see how much we have left. That's 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. $39, you guys, from selling a book and from my leftovers for my cash envelopes. So $20 is actually going to go towards my debt, and then $19, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 is actually going to go towards sinking funds. And before we finish up, I'm going to see how much money I have to go towards sinking funds. All right, so that's $581. If you can see right here, we're going to subtract it. 581 subtract the cash envelopes, which is $250. Right. Let's see, 581 minus $250, then minus the $70 for my cushion. That will be $261, you guys. All right, then we're going to add the $19 plus 19 equals $280. So that is how much we are going to put towards our sinking fund. So I'm just going to write that right here, and this will be on next video. So $280 is how much we have to work with for our sinking funds. So that is it, you guys. I hope y'all are having a wonderful week. I hope y'all enjoyed these cash envelopes and planning my bills with me, because I absolutely do. Let me know down below if you have a video that you want me to check out. It can be anything from grocery hauls, from bill budgeting, from planning your planner, doing your outlines and everything. I absolutely would love to go and check y'all's channels out and subscribe to give y'all advice. Just get to know y'all in general. But without further ado, make sure y'all subscribe and have a good week. Bye.